Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you where you can get free Windows 10, 8.1 and 7 virtual machines for free, completely legal, from Microsoft. So you want to open an internet browser and go to this link. It will be in the description. Then under virtual machines you can select the virtual machine that you would want. So Windows 7, Windows 8.1 or Windows 10. And then you select your VM platform. So you have VirtualBox, Vagrant, VMware, Hyper-V or Parallels. You just pick which one you want and hit download.zip. It will download a zip file of whatever you picked. You can go into it and extract it. You might have a different name because I've renamed mine, but you just want to extract it. It'll give you a .ova file. So if I just make this a bit bigger, as you can see, an OVI. When you double click it, it'll open in your, whatever software you selected. Well, it should do. And then I'm just going to change the base folder to my external hard drive. Because I just going to put it onto my external hard drive. So I really don't want it to be on my main computer hard drive. Now just click on import. This can take a while because it's got to extract the VMDK and import it to the VDI format, which works better. Just leave that checked because that's good. So I'll come back in a little bit once it has installed to the VirtualBox. Depending on which virtual machine you downloaded, Windows 10, Windows 8, or Windows 7, this will take a different amount of time. It took like about 5 minutes to get the Windows 7 into VirtualBox. I've not tried the Windows 8.1 yet. Well, I have, but that was a while ago, so I can't remember. And this Windows 10 one takes about 10 minutes, I should imagine. So, yeah, I'll come back in a little bit. Right, it is now extracted and installed to VirtualBox. As you can see, MSH-Win10 is now there. I'm going to show you what settings to tweak for the best experience. So go to the display settings and set the virtual memory to max, and then enable 3D acceleration and set the memory to max. And go back to the system tab, and you want to set pointing device to USB multi-touch tablet, like that. And then you can set the RAM to, well, kind of minimum of 4 gigs. If you have less than 4 gigabytes, then you can do 2, but it might not perform very well. And the processor, then I wouldn't use the whole processor. I would just use 1 or 2, or even 3. It depends how many you have. If you go to the next one and there are no more to go to, then just stay at 1 CPU. Under acceleration, just leave it as it is. Then go to USB and enable the USB controller and set it to the highest that you can do. Make sure that networking is enabled and also enable audio. Then click on OK. Now if we go back into the display settings, make sure that it says VBox SVGA. Now you can start your virtual machine. So here we go, it is now booting. It will get devices ready. Then afterwards it will then send you to your desktop or the lock screen. The password is PASSW. I think that's it. Yeah, so it's PASSW0RD exclamation mark. If that doesn't work, then instead of the 0, put an O. Right, here we go. We are now in the virtual machine. We have Windows 10. It's literally Windows 10. I don't know what else to say about it. It does have the VirtualBox Guest Editions pre-installed. But what you might need to do is reinstall them. I'll show you how you can do that. So you want to go to storage. Oh wait, close the virtual machine down. In fact, you can just click on this button here if it pops up. That should work, I hope. If it doesn't work, then just go to here, send the shutdown signal, and click OK. And if that doesn't work, then just directly power off the machine. Now you can go back to the storage page, click on the add disk, click on, well, not create, just click leave empty. Then click OK and it'll bring it here. You can now restart your virtual machine. And you can now go to devices and click insert guest edition CD image. There we go. Now go in. Type your password. By the way, the password is on the website as well that you download it from. So that we're back in. You can click on the little icon down here. Follow the File Explorer. Go to our guest editions. Now you can click on VBox Windows Editions. Go to yes. And now we can go through the installation. Then when this pops up, click install. Then click on finish. It will restart the virtual machine. So you can retype it in. And then it'll go back to the desktop. It'll bring you back to the desktop. Once you're on the desktop, just unfull screen the window and re-full screen it. If it will actually finish loading. And then it will make it fill up this whole window. You can then go to view and click on full screen mode and it will full screen your virtual machine. Anyways, that's how to get them and install them. Thanks for watching.